Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 49th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be checking out the return statement in Perl. So I have a script, it's called return, and in this script on line number 3 I have used the sub keyword to create a subroutine called circle, and through this subroutine we're going to try to compute the area of a circle provided we know the radius, and the formula of course is pi r square, where r is the radius. And we're going to do this computation inside the subroutine circle, I mean within its definition, but we are not going to use a print statement from within circle to display the result. And that's something that we have been doing over the last 4 tutorials. Perhaps we've always had the print statement inside the subroutine, but this time we're going to do the calculation inside the subroutine, and then we're going to use the return keyword to pass the output to a variable that's outside the subroutine, and then we're going to print the contents of that variable using a print statement outside the subroutine. So as I mentioned, we have created the subroutine circle on line number 3, and then on line number 5 I have assigned the argument that is passed to this subroutine. Obviously, we're just going to pass one argument because we only need the radius. So we're going to create a copy of it in a scalar variable called radius, and then I have the keyword return on line number 6, and you don't have to put whatever value you want to return within parentheses or anything. That's not important. You just have to do the calculation, and then you have to use the return keyword. So return, give a space, and then 3.14 times radius times radius. We're just squaring the value of the radius and multiplying it with pi, which is 3.14, and return is going to push that value out to the calling statement. So on line number 8 I have called this subroutine. You can see that I have the name circle here, and then within parentheses I have 10. So that's the argument which we are passing to the subroutine, and the return statement is going to throw the output to this statement. So on line number 8 when we are calling the subroutine, the output is going to be stored in the variable area, and then on line number 9 I have a print statement which is first going to display the text. This has to be area, let me just correct it. So the area of the circle is, and then it's going to show the value, and then it's going to display text square units. So I hope this is clear. This is really not that complicated. I might have made it look like complicated. And when I press F5 to run the script, we see that the area of the circle is 314 square units, because the value that we passed was 10. 10 square is 100, and then 100 multiplied by 3.14 is of course 314, and the area would be 314 square units. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun watching this one. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care.